Hi everybody, I'm Will Gray from EuroChef USA. We certainly appreciate your interest in the Lofra family of cooking here at EuroChef. Together, let us review Lofra, an innovative and exquisite collection of mid-luxury cooking ranges. Since 1956, our Lofra brand stands for over 65 years of experience, passion, and committed quality. Crafted and made in the hills of Padua, Italy, and exclusively imported to the United States by EuroChef USA, Lofra provides you a phenomenal range with features you need at a price point you'll crave. Let's start with the Curva collection, the first production introduced by Lofra in the early 1960s, paying homage to Lofra's humble beginnings as a manufacturer of pots and pottery, which soon led to the award-winning Curva line we recognize today. Curva is an innovative design that blends a unique and modernistic aesthetic with performance that will easily exceed your expectations. The patented recognizable curved door, side panels, and handle represent the perfect union of modern and tradition. Curva is available in two sizes, 36 and 48, and the choice of colors that will perfectly blend in your modernistic kitchen. Curva will be the perfect choice for customers that desire a unique and exclusive look that can't be replicated in other similar categories nor brands. Curva's 36-inch range offers 5 all-brass burners and cooking power that varies from 5,000 BTUs to a max dual burner at 18,000. The larger 48-inch range option will add 2 additional burners and a lucrative and coveted independent second multi-choice programmable oven. The LP conversion kit is always included, and the oven will offer 9 programmable settings with true European convection. In its 48-inch offering, Curva utilizes convection and independent settings for both ovens. 2 items, 2 temperatures, 2 timers, and 2 perfectly cooked results. You want to know about a little secret with the Lofra oven glass? Want to clean the pesky oven glass without the cost of a service provider or a service call? You can effortlessly do this task yourself on the Lofra range. The outer oven door trim is removable, and you have easy access to your 3 panes of oven glass. There are certainly no more excuses from the family that you can't clean the glass in the oven. Every meal, from the traditional family dish to the Baird Award Executive Chef's entree, all will marvel at the performance, consistent temperature control, and various cooking options from this Lofra range. If you'd like more information on this, the collection, or the Lofra family of cooking, please visit www.lofra.us.com or your local independent appliance retailer. Thank you for watching. Mangia bene, vivi felice. Eat well and live happy.